Today, we're diving deep into one of Amazon's most important technology announcements in years, one that could reshape the company's long-term growth trajectory far beyond e-commerce or cloud computing. I'm talking about Amazon Leo, formerly known as Project Kuiper, and specifically the debut of its new gigabit-speed ultra enterprise antenna and the launch of its commercial preview program. This move positions Amazon to become a foundational player in global satellite internet, a market currently dominated, at least from a consumer perspective, by SpaceX's Starlink. But what Amazon unveiled goes beyond consumer internet. It's an enterprise-first blueprint designed for industries, governments, and large-scale operations. Let's break down what this means for Amazon as a stock, how it impacts future revenues, and why investors should pay close attention. Number 1. What exactly did Amazon announce? According to Amazon's official release, Amazon Leo is now entering its enterprise preview phase, offering its fastest ever satellite hardware. Amazon Leo Ultra Antenna with 1 Gbps download and 400 Mbps upload speeds, full duplex phased array design, AWS native private networking capabilities. The company has already placed 150 plus satellites in orbit, and the network is undergoing active testing. A large commercial rollout is expected next year. This is not a future concept, it's now shipping hardware to enterprise partners across sectors like aviation, energy, logistics, and agriculture. This is Amazon officially entering the satellite networking market and doing so with enterprise-grade precision. Number 2. Why Amazon is targeting enterprises first. Unlike Starlink, which built a massive consumer base, Amazon is intentionally focusing on business, government, and industrial customers. Why? Because enterprise satellite connectivity is a massive high-margin market. Industries like aviation, maritime, energy, defense, manufacturing, logistics, remote mining, agricultural automation all rely heavily on reliable high-throughput global connectivity. The key phrase from Amazon's announcement is clear. Amazon Leo provides enterprise-grade performance, features, and capabilities for private and public sector customers. This is not just about selling internet. It's a way to embed Amazon deeper into the cloud, data, and connecting layers of entire industries. Number 3. The Ultra Antenna. Why it matters. On page 4 of the document, Amazon showcases the final production design of the Leo Ultra Antenna, a sleek, durable, weather-resistant phased array device designed with no moving parts and built to operate in extreme environmental conditions. From an investment perspective, here's what this means. A. High performance equals premium pricing. 1 Gbps down, 400 Mbps up, and enterprise-level reliability could command far higher pricing than consumer terminals. B. Custom silicon and RF algorithms create a moat. C. Simultaneous upload and download. This is essential for industries like video surveillance, remote manufacturing, cloud-first operations, and real-time monitoring. This is where legacy satellite providers struggle. D. Direct AWS connectivity, a game-changing feature. Number 5. The AWS connection, the hidden growth flywheel. The most important strategic line in the entire announcement may be this one. Customers can connect directly to their cloud workloads using AWS without touching the public internet. This is Amazon building an end-to-end cloud plus satellite plus networking stack. Imagine a mining company in a remote desert uploading sensor data directly into AWS analytics. An airline using Amazon Leo to power real-time telemetry directly into AWS. An energy company streaming field data to private networks without using public internet. This locks enterprises even deeper into the AWS ecosystem. Leo becomes another AWS customer funnel. And remember, AWS contributes more than 50% of Amazon's operating income. If Leo increases AWS utilization, even by a small percentage, it could produce billions in incremental revenue over time. Number 6. Early enterprise partners already signed. The preview program includes names like JetBlue, Aviation Wi-Fi, Hunt Energy, Global Energy Operations, Connected Farms, Agritech, Crane Worldwide Logistics, Supply Chain. These are industries with large budgets, global operations, and complex connectivity needs, multi-year infrastructure contracts. Amazon is positioning itself as a mission-critical connectivity provider, not a consumer ISP. Number 7. The market potential. What could this mean for Amazon stock? Let's break down the financial potential. A. Satellite broadband market. Estimated to reach $100 to $150 billion by early 2030s. Even capturing 10% market share equals $10 to $15 billion. 20% market share equals $20 to $30 billion. Project Kuiper was always expected to be a multi-billion-dollar business, but Leo's enterprise-first strategy could accelerate this. B. AWS cross-sell. Every Leo customer is a potential AWS customer or a heavier AWS user. Connectivity and cloud is the industry future, and Amazon is uniquely positioned to offer both. C. Government contracts. Defense, national broadband, disaster recovery, and emergency services could be huge opportunities. D. Aviation and maritime. These industries have notoriously expensive connectivity solutions. If Amazon undercuts or outperforms incumbents, adoption could spike. If Amazon captures just 2 to 3% of airline Wi-Fi contracts globally, it's already a multi-billion-dollar revenue stream. Number 8. Competitive landscape. Should Starlink investors worry? Starlink still holds first-mover advantage, larger satellite count, consumer-scale distribution, but Amazon brings something even more powerful. Enterprise relationships plus AWS integration and logistics dominance. Enterprises already trust Amazon with cloud workloads, data security, and global infrastructure. Amazon doesn't need to win consumers. It needs to dominate enterprise connectivity. And that's a realistic goal. Number 9. Risks investors should consider. No investment is risk-free. Here are the big ones. A. Massive upfront capex. Thousands of satellites cost billions to build, launch, and maintain. B. Regulatory challenges. Global deployment requires dozens of country-level approvals. C. Competitive pressure. Starlink, OneWeb, Viasat, geostationary incumbents. The market is crowded. D. Execution risk. Network reliability must match enterprise expectations. E. Long timeline. Full commercialization may take years. Investors need patience. Number 9. Final verdict. Is Amazon Leo bullish for AMZ stock? Amazon is building a third major pillar alongside e-commerce, AWS, and now global enterprise satellite networking. Leo is not a side project. It is Amazon creating the world's first integrated cloud plus satellite platform. This could increase AWS usage, generate new subscription revenue, create high-margin enterprise contracts, and expand Amazon's infrastructure footprint. From an investor perspective, Leo is a multi-decade growth engine, similar to how AWS started small, but eventually dominated Amazon's profit structure. If Amazon executes well, Leo could become one of the most valuable parts of Amazon's business between 2030 and 2040. For long-term investors, this announcement is undeniably bullish.